Hello, learners. My name is Miss Rebecca, and I am glad to welcome you again to another amazing mathematics class. Our topic for today's class is subtraction of two-digit numbers. Subtraction can mean minus, or finding the difference between two numbers, or taking a number away from another number. Just the same way with addition, subtraction of two-digit numbers is done under tens and units. Firstly, we'll be looking at subtraction of two-digit numbers without regrouping. Here, there will be no need for borrowing or moving number from one place value to another. I have two examples here, and the first one is 58 minus 27. The second one is 95 minus 52. When performing operations on addition or subtraction, remember, you begin from the unit place. 58 minus 27. The first thing you do is to count out 8, then take away 7, and it remains 1. 8 minus 7 equals 1. And moving to the tens place, 5 minus 2. Count out 5, take away 2. It gives you 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Therefore, 58 minus 27 equals 31. And to the second example, I have 95 minus 52. Beginning from the unit place, count out 5 and take away 2, your answer is 3. Count out 9 and take away 5, and it gives 4. Therefore, 95 minus 52 equals 43. We then move to subtraction of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Here there's going to be borrowing, moving number from one place value to another. Let's consider the two examples we have on the screen. The first example is 76 minus 49, while the second example is 83 minus 68. For the first example, count out 6, take away 9. You will see that it is impossible to take 9 away from 6. What you simply do is to go to your tens place, borrow 1 from 7, and you have 6 left. Bring the 1 and put it beside 6. That makes it 16. Count out 16 and take away 9, and your answer will be 7. Under the tens place, you have 6 left. Count out the 6 and take away 4. You have 2. Therefore, 76 minus 49 equals 27. And for the second example, we have 83 minus 68. Count out 3 and take away 8. You will see that it is impossible to take 8 away from 3. You will simply borrow 1 from 8, add to 3, and you have 13. You can now count out 13 and take away 8. 13 minus 8 equals 5. And in the tens place, we have 7 left. By the time we count out 7 and take away 6, the answer is 1. Therefore, 83 minus 68 equals 15. Having considered some example on subtraction of two-digit numbers with and without regrouping, let's quickly lay our hands on a fun activity here on the screen. The first one is 36 minus 22, and the second one is 41 minus 15. Alright, what my solution to know if you are actually correct? The first one is 41 minus 15, and the second one 36 minus 22. Arrange them under tens and units, and then count out 1 in the first one, take away 5. It is impossible. So you need to borrow 1 from 3, move the 1 to the unit place it beside your 1. You have 11. Count out 11 and take away 5. It gives 6. Then you have remainder 3 in the tens place. Count out 3 and take away 1, and your answer will be 2. Therefore, 41 minus 15 equals 26. Did you get it right? Then the second one, 36 minus 22. Place your numbers under tens and units. Count out 6 and take away 2. Your answer is 4. And count out 3, take away 2. The answer is 1. Therefore, 36 minus 22 equals 14. From the solution on the screen, you will see that one is with regrouping, the other is without regrouping. I hope you got your answers correctly. It's been an amazing time with you guys in today's class. I can't wait to see you in the next class. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.